Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily find your Twitter password. Now it's a very easy process. Let's say you've lost your password from Twitter or you simply forgot it and you want to know and remember what it was again. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. First thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device and from out here head down to the X platform, the Twitter application. Now once it loads up, you can see your own profile, your own account, and from there you want to go to the top left corner where your profile picture appears. Now from out here we want to go to the settings and support, right there, and open up the settings and privacy tab. Now here we choose the first option called your account. Now as you can see here we have the second option, which is change your password. Now as you can see, I can also put in the password from out there and I can show the password, and from out there I can easily grab my password. Now as you can see, it's saved. Here I can change the password and I can reveal it. But let's say you can't and it doesn't allow the option. Now what you can do is close down the application of Twitter, scroll down till you find the settings tab. Simply search the settings tab. Now here you are in the iOS settings. Now from out here you want to scroll down till you find the passwords tab, as you can see right here. Now inside the password, simply use your Face ID, open the search bar and type in X. Now here scroll down till you see the X option, and as you can see here we have the password. Now if I press on it you can see my password, but as you can see here we can simply safely open the password and from out there our password will be revealed. Now as you can see here you can retrieve your lost password. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.